Inihayag kagabi ng Department of the Interior and Local Government Secretary Jan Vic Remulla na mayroon umanong mga armadong kalalakihan ang tinangkang pumasok sa ikalawang palapag ng Senate Building kagabi. Gayunpaman, napigilan umano ang mga ito na matauhan ng usaa at pinaputukan ng warning shots. Hindi patukoy ng DILG kung sino ang mga nasabing armadong kalalakihan habang patuloy pa ang isinasagawang investigasyon gamit ang mga nakuhang CCTV footages.
At approximately 7:46, armed men tried to enter through the second floor but were stopped by the USAA. They had firearms with them, but the USAA fired a warning shot. They retreated at the back and started firing indiscriminately into the air. Now, we do not have a definite count of how many people tried to enter the building. We do not know who is behind this, but we will find them. We have all the security footages, and I'm here with the Senate President to assure him that we are only doing this to secure them.
Kagabi, nabulabog at nagkagulo sa Senado sa gitna ng ipinatutupad na lockdown dahil sa isinasagawang tangka-umanong pag-aresto kay Senator Ronald Bato de la Rosa na kasalukuyan pa rin nakapailalim sa protective custody.
Hot